While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. B.I. Tasty. Oof. Korea Global. Tasty restaurant. What you trying to say? They accept Visa and MasterCard? No AMX? Spicy pork teriyaki, grilled mackerel, pan-fried kimchi with pork? Okay. Cold bean noodle, cold noodle. Stone bibimbap. Oh, you had me at stone bibimbap though, B.I. Alright, let's check this out. Oh, that's an interesting outfit. Or that's kind of fire actually, with the little tassels. What's she? Random, but like I have a big fear of toothpicks in my mouth because like what if I fall and it just like hits the back of the throat? Anyways. Oh.
Running, give me everything you got. My ice cream truck, keep a line run the block. It's tasty. Been open up shop, it's tasty. You look up airless drop. Running, give me everything you got.
Hey.
Ice cream truck, keep a line run the block. It's
Tasty.
Been open up shop, it's tasty.
What we? Hey.
I can transform your him.
Yeah, like a bunch of friends, just like a group of people, just like next to each other, just like yeah, we're talking. Let's join this guy that's singing out loud. Classic.
I can transform your him to a me. 지나는 너의 꼬리에 실룩거림. 원하는 만큼 채워줄게 빈틈없이. 감해줘준 우리 님이 미끄럽지.
Hey.
Here's another hit coming off the bat.
Oh.
Icon, how we live right here.
Oh.
What's the big idea?
Hey.
Friend's cool, but he ain't top tier.
Damn.
You should be with me, he a bum bum. Watch you clean up plain, lean no crumbs. I can be your one if
Hey,
you want
get it. Let's go, B.I.
Really want some, you better run it, give me everything you got. My ice cream truck, people line run the block.
Woo!
It's tasty.
It's tasty. Hey, get it. It's tasty. Hey. Oh, that little vest go hard though. Get it. Woo. Work it like Missy, huh? Hey, shout out.
Now shake it faster for me, giddy up. You should be with me, he a bum bum. Watch you clean up plain, lean no crumbs.
Let's go, Ajima.
You should be with me, he a bum bum.
You should be with me, he a bum bum. I like that.
Watch you clean up plain, lean no crumbs. I can be your one if you want one. Really want some, you better run it, give me everything you got. My ice cream truck, people line run the block.
Hey.
Been open up shop, it's
Tasty.
Look up airless drop. Run it, give me everything you got. My ice cream truck, people line run the block.
It's tasty.
Been open up shop,
It's tasty.
Look up airless drop.
That's not it? No. That's it. Oh, I had too much fun. That shit went by too fast. Hey, shout out to all the dancers, everybody that worked in this music video. Is that the check? Thank you, B.I. for paying for the dinner. Ooh, get it. Hey, not like us. Okay, I thought he was crip walking for a second. Get it. Damn. B.I. with that tasty. I was vibing. It felt too short. It felt way too short than it should have been. I think B.I., you make some hitters, and you already know. You know how talented you are. Appreciate you, fam. Anyways, go check out B.I. Link in the description. Check it out. Yeah.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.